guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can exit full screen on Steam. So guys, if you're trying to exit full screen on Steam but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So make sure you open your Steam app first. So guys, if you're trying to exit the full screen, all you need to do is just go to the corner of your app and just drag it back down like this, and you have successfully exited the full screen. But if you want to go back to the full screen again, just go to your left corner where you can find this plus button, tap on it, and now you have entered the full screen again. So it's a bit tricky for Mac, but if you're using Windows, it's pretty easy. All you need to do is just go to left corner and just tap on this button. So there you go. Tap on it again to enter full screen and tap on it again to exit full screen. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.